If you go to the Google and search for the API automation interview questions, likely you will get the same questions everywhere. Today I am going to share as much as question on the real-time scenarios. So before moving forward, please subscribe to the Fundu Tester. In API, mostly we have to work on the Java and OOPS concepts. So first will come the Java interview questions. Later on we are moved to the theoretical questions and then real-time coding questions. So first I am going to discuss on the Java questions. So there are two classic questions which I like the most. First is what is the difference between the abstract and interface, and another is what is the difference between HashMap and hashtable. So these two are questions you will face in many interviews. Later on, they will ask questions related to collection framework, which collection or which data structure you need to use on particular scenario. For example, you have written the code using set, then they will likely to ask why you have used the set instead of the list or some other collection. Later on, they will ask multiple questions on the OOPS concept. They will try to manipulate the questions and they will try to get to know if you are able to answer or not, or if you are able to handle the scenarios or not. So you should know how to manipulate the data, how to play around with the class and object. So these all are questions interview may ask in the interview. So you should get prepared for this. Later on, we can move to the basics of the API. I don't think so there are much questions for the APIs. What you should prepare is they will likely to ask what is a get API, what is the difference between the get, put, post or delete APIs. So you should be able to answer with multiple differences, not only just one. For like get is for the get the data and post is for the update the data. Interviewer may expect more than this. For example, if you are buying for a car, so you are comparing hatchback or SUV with the sedan. So there are multiple ways you can differentiate. The similar way you can differentiate get and post APIs. So you should be ready for the multiple answers, multiple differences, not just one. Later on, if we move to the automation perspective, so let's say we are working on a REST ratio using the Java. So to execute the code or a framework, we are likely to use TestNG or Cucumber. So you should be ready or you should be prepared for the Cucumber or TestNG questions. So in basic level, in TestNG, they can ask what are the different annotations, or likely they will give you the scenarios and they will ask you to update how many method is going to execute in test annotation, or how many times each method is going to execute for the before suite or after suite or before test. After that, they will ask how you are running your suite in real-time scenario. So you should be able to answer how you are going to run your test, like a smoke test or regression test or functional test. Later on, they can ask, suppose for example, few tests are failing, then how you are going to re-trigger. So you should be able to answer those as well. And interviewer is more interested in the test memory, then they might ask what is a parallel execution and grouping concept. Apart from, there is a likely chance to ask about the Maven or Git or Jenkins or the Bitbucket pipelines. So what they ask, they will ask like how you are going to trigger the execution, or real time how you are going to trigger the execution. Is it manually, or you are passing some parameters, or where you are keeping the test data. So you should be ready for this. Apart from that, what can be asked in the real-time scenario is how you can integrate the APIs, like a UI. For example, we can take an example of the Facebook. So in Facebook, what we are going to do, first we will do the login. After the login, we go to the news feed. We will search the feed on particular feed. For example, I like a photo of my colleague, then I'm going to like that photo and I'm going to add a comment. So these scenarios I want to execute. So there are multiple APIs I'm going to expose. So similar way, using the APIs also, we are going to expose same sequence. So they will ask how you are going to handle the sequence, or how you are going to integrate multiple APIs. Apart from that, most classic question is data-driven testing. They can ask how you are going to perform a data-driven test. So you should able to explain where you are keeping the data, how you are playing around with it. For example, you have kept your data in the JSON file or Excel or CSV file whenever we are storing, or for example, we are getting data from the DB and we are trying to trigger the API. So you should be able to answer those questions. Apart from, there are less chance, but interview may ask what is a serialization or deserialization, and some out of the box scenarios. For example, they will give you some API, or they may ask if I have a API with the HTTP or I have API with the HTTPS, then how can I handle? Or suppose I want to upload the file or I want to download the file, reverse process. So how can I do using the REST API? There are less chance, but for automated interview, if you are experienced person, then you should be ready for this. I have segregated in one more section, which is the assignment perspective. So nowadays, due to COVID situation, mostly there is a screening round, and they will ask you to share the screen, and you have to write a code. So in that case, in real-time scenario, what happens? Interviewer share the curl or payload and endpoint of the URL, and they will ask automate the API, and you need to write a code. For example, they gave you the GET API. Maximum it will take 2 to 3 minutes for the experienced person. But the thing is how you are going to approach, or how quickly you are going to understand new APIs. It can be a complex one or it can be a simple one. So you should be able to write or automate any APIs. After that, they want to know if you have worked on the real-time scenarios or not. Likely they will ask to parse dynamic or nested JSON, or they will like to know your approach, how you are going to approach the problem. So that is the main point. If you are facing a new problem and you are not coming to the solution, then there is no use. So whatever we are going in real-time work, we are solving new problem on daily basis. So similar way, they will put you in the different situation that you are not knowing and you have to give the solution. They are not expecting 100% to be sure, but you should be able to answer, and how easily or how quickly you are reacting. So that is the main point. After that, there are some other questions like deep comparison or object mapping or comparator. For example, you are working on API, and for stage environment and production environment, you are getting the different responses. For stage or test environment, for stage or QA environment, you are hitting the same API and you want to assert the data, or you need to compare both the JSON payload. So there are multiple ways, like you are going with the deep comparison or object mapping. You are going to exactly mapping the key and value per both the JSON payload, or you can go with the comparator with Java concept. So you should know, or you should at least able to ask multiple ways to handle the problem. Later on, if you are applying for the API automation interview, then you should know how to play around with the JSON object, how to play around with the JSON data or JSON payload. You should be able to read, write, update or delete any JSON file. It can be simple or it can be a complex. I hope this helps a lot. If you are having any problem, please write on a comment section. And if you want to cover any specific topic, then please let me know in the comment section. I will be happy to upload a video. Please subscribe and please press the like button.